I'm here. I didn't forget. Maybe I forgot. You'll never know. I could have forgotten. I didn't think I'd tell you that, though. Alright. Oh. Today's plan is slightly muddled. Let me fix that up. There we go. Got our plan up there. There we go. It's the right way. Up there. You can see today's plan. I don't know why I just did that. Move that a bit more this way so you guys can read that better. There we go. Got our plan for today. That shouldn't take us more than a few hours. Surely. Probably slow as fuck. I was busy. I was doing stuff. Oh my god. Oh. It's inside the thing. Oh. There we go. Fix that. Alright. We got today's plan. We've got to fix the log spam issues, which is very, very important. We gotta fix the user settings command. That's a simple issue. All I gotta do is rename the config files, turn on the privacy filter, do stuff with the config files, and that should be fine. I'm going to be working on the point store concept, which is going to be cool. Work on the welcome message customization, and then the points manipulation for server admins. This will be guild points manipulation, that is. Global points will never be allowed to be manipulated. Because that is just not nice. Because like I know for like some bots, with some bots, some guilds will have you know, competitions for server points sort of thing. Is this the same song it was on before? It's not. This is on shuffle. Yeah. Okay. That's good. It's the log spam issues. I've noticed that the only log that's spamming is the channel update log. And I know exactly what's causing that. It's because what I've done is I've done a stupid, and it's logging channel position updates. The issue with channel position updates is when you move one channel, every single channel moves. So say I move bot testing to just above chat share beta. That moves every channel in this category, every channel in this one, and this one, and this one, according to the API. So now, that'll just spam the logs. As you can see, I should have tested on a smaller server, because this is going to take a while and use up a lot of RAM on my server, but who cares? Alright, put that back. That's just going to just let that spam for a little bit. So all I have to do is change some stuff, which isn't that bad. It's like a small change. So what happens when you change a channel's position? Nothing else is changed. So the channel type, the channel parent, and the channel name all stay exactly the same. So what I can do is write a small if statement. So if n name equals o name, or n parent, that should be does not equal. Does not equal o parent if o name if n parent does not equal o parent, or if n type does not equal o type. So that means it requires at least one of these changes, one of these values to be different in order to create a log. And then we just grab that, move it. Oh. To here. So now this code won't happen until an actual channel change is detected. Any fixes I do, I'll be publishing straight to the bot after this stream. Anything else will be a bit, so I just go to the change log. Fixes. Fixed bugs and issues. So that's that done. I do not have... I should have Unicode checkmark. So I want that checkmark. There we go. Let me just add that next to that. There we go. Close that. And just have that here. There's the bottom of this. There we go. There we go. That's our first thing done. What have we got left to do? Fix the user settings command. That's easy enough. Just turn on the privacy filter for a second. Rename these two. Employee-commands.js. Because I've got the config set up so that I have one for the test bot and another one for the actual bot, for the live bot. You guys can, I don't know if anyone saw, but I added the test bot to the server, to the main Discord a little bit ago, so you guys can help me test if you want to. Alright, that should be live on LMB now. Let's see. / user settings. There we go. We've got the thing working now, which is good. Alright, let me just change this back so you guys can see my ugly face again. Back. Normal. Okay, so that is that fixed. Let's turn off the privacy filter. There we go. Alright, what else is there to do? Next, user settings command. So now we've got the point store concept. That'll be in a sec. I'll just keep that open. The point store concept, welcome message customization, and points manipulation. So do I have a database for this bot? For this? Yes, I do. It's a lot of stuff. I think for a start, we'll work on welcome message customization. So if you look here, we have a guild messages database, which is currently empty. It will be filled. So this will allow guilds to customize specific messages. They'll be given, like when you actually do the command, you'll be given a list of different, actually no, hold on, let me correct myself. So when this goes live on the website, you'll see, like I'll be working on a documentation for the bot, and you'll see the different values that can go into here. So for example, if you want the welcome message to say welcome to Lucky's Dev, you would type it as welcome user don't mention to server.name, and I would go into the actual code. I would, edit the code so that these get replaced with these, if that makes sense at all. So to do that, we're going to need to either edit the guild settings command or add a new command. The thing about updating the guild settings command is I was going to be changing this very, very soon to use the model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was changing specific parts of it to use a model. It's going to be changing. I think I was going to be changing some of it. So I think for messages, add subcommand. Set name message underscore settings. Set description. God damn it. Set description. Outputs. Okay, and we would have a default setting being what they currently are. So copy ID, I'm just going to add stuff to here. So how's it go for this spot, for this server? How's that actually go? I don't remember what I wrote. Username, laugh, frowny face, apply, level message. Congrats. User.mention. Users. Not up. Number. There we go. Welcome message. Name. Mention for boosting. Boost notifications are still very broken. I gotta work on them at a later date, but there's no native API implementation for boost notifications. So I either have to rely on system messages. So this thing, or I have to rely on constantly checking. A guild member update, for example, check their premium synths and do it based on that. The issue with that is it's not working properly. I've got to fix it so that the premium, because it also means that you only get the first boost, you don't get initial boosts. So what I'll be doing in the future is requiring that you have this turned on. If you don't have this turned on, it won't function. But if you have it turned on, it'll check for the system message in what did I put it in the message create variable of thing, whatever, and it'll, once it sees one of those, it'll output to whatever channel you choose, and the user's the specific message, whether you've created a message or you're using the default, and it'll check the user for it'll check the user for how many boosts they've done, sort of thing. I don't think I can actually test that. Let me have a look. Documentation. Alright. So it would be client client on message create. So it would theoretically get the user. I think we can only get, we'd have to then convert the user into a guild member. And I don't think we can actually get the amount of times they've boosted. No, we can't. That's really annoying. We can get how long it's been, like how long they've been boosting for, but that's it. That's all we can get. We can get the guilds, the amount of times the guild has been boosted. That would be premium subscription count and premium tier. But we can't get how many times a user has boosted, which is very annoying. I do believe that is an API limitation. Boosting isn't really in Discord's API that much. Only specific things are actually done on an API level. You don't get any, like, actual boosting doesn't trigger anything client-wise, API-wise, which is incredibly annoying. I wish it did. But it doesn't. It probably is triggered. It's probably triggered under. Changing these probably triggers a guild update. Because that would be more stable than. Where is it? That'd be more stable than checking this. It'd be a lot more stable than checking this. I might look into that. I might change that. Because that seems a lot more stable than what I was doing. check how many guild boosts there are. The subscription count doesn't exist. And that means the user, and that means there are no boosts on the Discord. It's very annoying that that just becomes null and it doesn't just say 0. Like they could keep it active and then just have that say 0. But nope, when there's no boost, it becomes nothing. It literally becomes a null value. It's very annoying. Alright, so what were we supposed to be doing again? Oh yeah, message customization. So back to guild settings. So that means we are creating a model. Hate models. They're so annoying. If the user is an admin, why have I done this? If interaction.options get subcommand equals message underscore settings. I need to change. I need to change. I need to fix my code. That is so annoying. Alright. So how many of these do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have exactly 4 of these. So what I'll do for this one, just get... Creating models are very annoying. That should have been deleted ages ago. And that too. I was considering going back and re-enabling the old system. Because, you know, the new system has errors and issues. But I decided against it. That can be removed. I don't know why that still exists. Alright. Oh, we don't even check the user's localization. Oh, because this isn't localized. This isn't meant to be localized anyway. So we will copy this code, because that's going to be easy-ish to change into what we want. Also means just add that, copy all of that. I think, yeah. For some reason my scroll wheel doesn't always work. So this will become interaction.guild.id plus message settings. Message settings. I know I'm spelling it incorrectly. Please don't say anything about that. Message. It is intentionally being spelled incorrectly. Wait, hold on. It's so that it doesn't mess up when doing second, third, fourth, okay. It's mostly so it doesn't mess up when I'm doing the when it's actually trying to update the database. Because if it's the same values as when it's updating the database, it can have issues. Alright. New message. These don't need to exist because placeholders are very, very limited in what they can have. To get a specific thing. Yep. I've got to set a max length. Max length to be how many characters? Let's say 200. No, 100 characters. That's probably a little bit too short. Required set style. Value. What's the different styles they're gonna have? Let's go to that. It'll have to be paragraph, won't it? So that gives you multiple lines of text. I'll do set value so it has at least the default value. I think it's true every single one. I think I'll increase the max length to 200. I think 200 characters should be enough. This at least gives you a basic idea of what it could be. Let's test this. I really need to rename that file. Oh, invalid token. That's right, because I had to reset the token. Let's return on the privacy filter so I can quickly fix up that token mishap. Both tokens look exactly the same. Okay, it seems to be working now. Just so I don't have the token in my thing. Slash guild settings. Gotta refresh Discord real quick. Nope, still not working. Did I not add slash commands? I think I forgot to add slash commands. When I added the bot back on. I'm so stupid. Scar.com developers, applications. URL generator. Bot, application commands, administrator, copy, control V. Probably going to need to put in my token. An OAuth, yeah, an OAuth code. Do not look at me. Stupid phone. So that should, in the least bit, fix the slash commands issue. There we go. Field settings, message settings. That will show up to here. So as you can see, it'll give you the ability to enter a few and type a bit of information, blah blah blah, and it gives you example text, which is good. This is good. This makes me happy. I don't know if I want to make these optional or not. I think for now they're not going to be optional. They're going to be required. So you'll be required to set each one, sort of thing. Just because I hate working with SQL databases. They're so annoying. But yeah, as you can see, got each one. I think the only thing I have to do now for this system is hook it up so it works. Tomorrow. Oh, shoot. Oh, I just noticed that. That's when I'm deleting. That's when I'm supposed to delete those bots. I can't believe I didn't add that to here. Yeah, that's at 3 o'clock tomorrow. I should be working on the spam destroyer stuff. Fuck. That was silly of me. I can do that soon. I'll start working on that later. Do I not have July in here? I haven't put July in here. Oh well. I'm actually end the stream now so I can get stuff done. Because I gotta get stuff done. Anyway, I gotta go so I can actually finish getting stuff done. I can get the important stuff like the spam destroyer features. I can get that done soon because that needs to be ready for tomorrow. And I've got to update the database too, so you know, it's got to be done because I keep forgetting to do it. Anyway, I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.